In this video, you'll learn how to authorize and connect your controller to the AppManager server using the on-screen PIN code. Shortly after you connect your controller to a network, or after allowing Basemanager to connect, your controller will produce an authorization PIN code. This security code allows your controller, and only your controller, to connect to the Basemanager server. This code is unique and case sensitive, so it's a great idea to take a picture with your phone or write it down. Once you get back to a desktop computer, you'll need this information. Hold on, if you cleared that PIN code before taking a picture, don't stress. For a Basestation 1000, return to System Setup, Network Setup, and then Basemanager Info. Disconnecting and reconnecting to Basemanager will generate that same code again. Retrieving a PIN code on a Basestation 3200 is very similar. Go to Network and Basemanager Server Setup, then disconnect and reconnect to Basemanager. Don't forget to take a picture this time. The information on the code directs us to baselineapps.net, so log in with your unique username and password that was created when you opened your AppManager account. Once AppManager is open, go to the Admin tab and select Manage Basestation 1000s. This process is the same for any baseline controller you authorize. Just select the appropriate device from the list. Under Basestation 1000, I'm going to click Add Basestation 1000 and then enter the information. I'll start with the controller description and then the activation code. This case-sensitive code is unique to my controller, so it won't work with anyone else. As I enter the code, it recognizes this specific Basestation 1000 and allows it to connect to the Basemanager server. Under Sites, select one of the sites you created when you opened your Basemanager account. At Geographical Settings, pick the correct country, state, and time zone. If you select the wrong time zone, your controller could be several hours different from your local time. Don't miss this last section, Assigned Users to Controllers. This section determines which users are allowed to access a particular controller. I'm logged in as BL25, so I'll allow them, Dan Test, and then I'll also allow Sarah from support to have access. If you skip this step, when a user signs in, they won't see any controllers for them to access. Finally, select Add Controller. Let's test this out. I'll log out of AppManager and then log back in with user BL25. Once I'm in, I'll go to Basemanager and then look for my new Basestation 1000. Navigating to Menu, then Sites and Controllers, I can see the newly connected Basestation 1000. I can now connect to this controller through Basemanager and mobile access.